I'm going to teach you how to clean your makeup brushes. We're going to do equal parts of Dawn dish soap and olive oil. The dish soap is going to clean your makeup brushes and the oil is going to condition them. So what I like to do is take your makeup brush. I like to get a little bit wet. Then you're going to dip it into the mixture and then you're going to swirl it on your hand. You want your water to be warm, not hot and not cool. And you're going to swirl it until it comes clean. If you squish out tan, you want to do it again. Once your makeup brushes rinse clean, you want to squish the water out of them and shape them and then lay them flat to dry on a towel or paper towel.
I do it.
When you're rinsing your brushes, you always want to make sure that they're pointing down. You never want to wash your brushes like this. You do not want the water to get inside here and wreck the glue that's holding the brush together. You always want to brush it swirled down, and you just keep going until all the brushes are clean.
Okay.
This is another reason why you never want to soak your brushes in water, because you never want water to get into the glue of the bristles. Another thing, you can make one of these. It's a plastic clipboard. And I took a glue gun and put different patterns, and you can use this to assist washing your brushes instead of using your hands. Now once my makeup brushes are all clean, I just lay them flat to dry. I usually leave them there overnight and then I wake up and they're all dry. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.